Do you feel overwhelmed by all the thoughts swirling in your head? In today's Thrive in 5, I'll show you how a quick brain dump can clear mental clutter, boost focus, and help you tackle your day with clarity.
You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals, one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in.
Let's talk about mental clutter. You know the feeling. When your mind is racing with tasks, ideas, reminders, worries, leaving you too overwhelmed to focus. We've all been there. That mental noise can weigh you down, making it harder to prioritize and get started. Enter the brain dump, a simple yet powerful technique to declutter your mind and create space for focus and productivity. Today, I will guide you through how to do a brain dump effectively and why it is one of the best tools for mental clarity. The first thing you're going to do is set up for this brain dump. It is as simple as grabbing a notebook or a piece of paper or even opening up a blank document on your computer. The goal? Write everything down. And that means the tasks you need to do, ideas you've been mulling over, concerns, worries, anything that is taking up headspace. Don't overthink it. Don't worry about organizing. Just get it all out of your head and onto the paper. I want you to write without judgment. As you write, let your thoughts flow freely. This isn't a time to filter or evaluate what's worth keeping, what's working, what's not. Your only job is to transfer everything from your mind onto the paper. Think of it like clearing out a junk drawer. You're simply emptying it so you can sort through it later. Now that we have everything on paper, we are going to organize and prioritize. Once your brain dump is complete, it's time to make sense of it all. Now we're going to organize and prioritize. Group similar items together. For example, separate work tasks from personal errands or creative ideas. Identify your priorities. Ask yourself what's urgent, what's important, what can wait. Create a to-do list. Use the information you've captured to build a clear, actionable plan for your day or your week. The process of sorting and prioritizing helps you regain control and focus. I want you to use this regularly. A brain dump is not a one-time fix. You need to make this a regular habit. And I'm talking a weekly habit, even daily if you need to, if you're feeling quite overwhelmed. The more you practice this technique, the more natural it becomes to clear the mental clutter before diving into focused work. Mental clutter creates stress and makes it harder to focus, but a brain dump gives your thoughts a place to land. By getting everything out of your head and onto the paper, you free up mental space for creativity, problem solving, and productivity. Plus, seeing your thoughts laid out can reduce anxiety and give you a sense of control. So to recap, here's how to do a brain dump. Set up your space to write down everything on your mind, whether it is a blank piece of paper or a Word document. Let your thoughts flow freely without judgment or organization. Once you have everything dumped onto that paper, sort and prioritize your list to make a clear plan of action. And remember, you've got this.
Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving and remember, you've got this.